Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have editor access and the page open. Start now. First, identify the target URL. Use the page slug for internal links or full HTTPS // address for external ones. Once done, highlight the text or select the block where the link will live. Make sure to save a draft before inserting so you can revert. If using the classic editor, locate the chain icon. In Gutenberg, use the link toolbar. These steps set up the actual insertion cleanly and quickly. Now insert the link. Press Ctrl+K or click the chain icon and paste the URL or start typing the page name to search site content. You'll see a preview. Confirm the link text reads naturally. Once pasted, press Enter to apply and then click the pencil to edit attributes. For external targets, toggle Open in New tab and add rel equals Nupener if needed. Make sure there are no trailing spaces in the URL. This prevents broken links and improves reliability. Finish by saving the draft or hitting Update, then preview the page on desktop and mobile to ensure the link behaves as expected. Click the link to test it. If you land on a 404 or see a redirect loop, inspect the URL and server response. Look for 301 redirects or typos. If changes don't appear, clear Wordpress cache and any CDN cache. One key troubleshooting tip: disable caching plugins temporarily to confirm whether cached content.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.